Good morning to all. How are you? Welcome back to English online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Revati, your English teacher. Today let's discuss writing and dictionary word exercise from the textbook. First let's discuss writing exercise. What do you mean by definition? A definition is the meaning of a word or group of words. It should be simple and easy to understand. For example, in this chapter we studied binocular. What do you mean by binocular? It is a device used to watch distant object. Like this, definition means it's a meaning of word or group of words. It should be simple and easy to understand.
Now let's discuss an exercise from the page number 20. Choose one word from each pair and write their definitions in your notebook. Here playground, school, doctor, pilot, pencil, crayon. So I will give some definitions, but you need to select one word from each pair and write their definition in your back side of your notebook. Okay? The first pair, playground or school. So you can give some definitions. Playground, a large open space where we play. We can give the definition to the playground, a large open space where we play. In school, a place where we learn and study. School, a place where we learn and study. And the next pair of word, doctor and pilot. Doctor, a person who treats the sick. And pilot, a person who flies aeroplanes. A person who flies aeroplanes, a person who treats the sick, doctor. And next pair of words, pencil and crayons. Pencil, an object that we use to write or draw on paper. It is made of wood with lead inside. And crayon, an object that we use for draw and coloring. It is made of wax. Like this, you can also select some words and write their definitions. Okay. Next one, B, work with a friend. Read out the definition you have written and ask them to guess the word. So write some definitions and share with your friends. So you can also share with your siblings or parents. You just give the definition and ask them to guess the word.
Now let's discuss dictionary work. When we use dictionary, yes, when we got a new word, we use dictionary. Nowadays we more use in the Google, but before that we use dictionary for searching the meaning of a word. So in this chapter I given some words to find out the meaning. You need to identify two meanings of each words.
The dictionary work exercise from the page number 21. Look at these words. Each of them has more than one meaning. Use a dictionary to find two meanings for each of these words. So here you can see some words, watch, wave, leave, back. So you need to identify or find out two meanings for each of these words. The first word, watch, W-A-T-C-H. What is the two meaning of this word, watch? A small clock that you wear on your wrist. And second meaning, to look at something and pay attention to it. The second word, wave, W-A-V-E. Two meaning, a layer of water that rises and falls. The second meaning, move your hand from side to side. Waving, that means. Leave, L-E-A-V-E, to go away from a place or a person. The second meaning, a period of time away from work or school. And back, the last word, back, the part of the body that is behind you or between your neck and legs. Second meaning, from or relating to the past. Like this, you can also select some words and find out the meaning from the dictionary. Next, let's discuss the project work, page number 22. Make this landscape and hang it in your class. So make this landscape and hang it in your home. You will need, to make this project work, you will need white chart paper, blue paint, glue, torn strips of blue paper from magazines or newspaper, paper boards. And how to do this project work? Paint the chart paper blue color, let it dry, then paste the paper strips on the bottom half of the chart, one below the other to make water. Paste the paper board on top of the paper strips. You can draw or paste a sun, clouds or anything you like on the landscape. So you need to make this landscape like the picture in the page number 22 using with these materials.
So I hope you understood today's topic. Let's conclude today's section. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.